In this video, I'm going to show you how to keep your audience's attention by speeding up any boring or unnecessarily long video clips. Want to follow along? There's a link in the description below for a free trial of Camtasia. With the footage you want to edit on the timeline, go to the Visual Effects tab and find Clip Speed. Drag that onto your clip either in the timeline or the canvas. You'll get a notification saying Effect was added at the bottom of your track, which, when you click it, will open your tray. Normally when you grab the end of a clip and drag it in, you're actually trimming that video and removing parts of it. But when you click on the Clip Speed effect and drag it in, shown here with the little stopwatch icon, you're not trimming it, you're speeding it up, shortening the duration, but not losing any content. This is especially helpful when showing things like a page or UI component loading that takes longer than you want your viewer to have to sit through. Or maybe to turn a long video of cars in traffic into more of a time-lapse. The possibilities are endless and use cases are totally up to you. If you'd prefer a more precise edit, with the clip selected, you can go into the Properties panel to type in the exact speed multiplier you'd like, or even specify the duration you want it to fill. Maybe you want to slow down your video. Well, you can drag the clip speed effect to the right, but if you're going to slow it way down, I'd recommend the extend frame option, which I talked about in this video. Extend frame pauses your video on one moment, so if you want to show motion in your slowed clip, this option won't work for you. Wait, what if you came here expecting to find out how to watch a video at a different speed? Well, that's called playback speed, and most platforms like YouTube have that down in the controls of each video. For example, under the gear icon. And that's it. With one drag and drop effect, you can speed up a video or screen recording and let your viewers continue on without having to painfully sit through long, dragged out visuals. Tell us in the comments what you're using Clip Speed for, or if you're just finding out about it for the first time. Thanks for watching.